All right, wheel number 2 on the RDX. This will be a little easier. Got some deep curb rash right here. That's going to grind out. Got some more down here in this corner. That'll hit with the grinder real quick. That's mostly going to sand out though in a little spot right over here. So let me go ahead and start grinding this while I'm getting set up. If you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, I'll start working on this one. Again, we're going to go with the 320 grit sanding disc. Get this cleaned up. Then we're going to take that 1500 grit scuff pad again, go over this. Clean all this dust off. And we'll go ahead and clear coat it.